To create a new shape layer animation, start by creating a new composition and name it Shape Layer Animation. Choose your desired settings, set the duration to 5 seconds, and click OK. Next, select any shape tool, for example, the rectangle tool or any other, but here I'm using the ellipse tool. While holding Shift, draw a perfect circle. To center the anchor point, press Ctrl and double-click the Pan Behind tool. Then, press U to hide any visible properties. Click on the layer, expand it by clicking the arrow, and go to the Transform section. Now we'll animate the ellipse shape. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the timeline, and enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatches for position, scale, and rotation. Set the initial position to -500, the scale to 0, and the rotation to 0. Move the playhead 1 second forward and update the values. Position to around 1000, scale 100, and rotation to 300. When you preview the animation, you'll see a nice combination of movement, scaling, and rotation. To make it smoother, select all the keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Easy Ease, or simply press Shift plus F9 for a quick shortcut. After applying the easing, play the final preview. It looks super cool. If you want to change the duration of the animation, just select the second set of keyframes and move them forward on the timeline to extend the animation as needed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with others. See you in the next video.